I'll put it.
Oh, let me wash it. Let me wash it. Come here.
I want to see it. Oh, you gonna eat it? You give it to Grandma Ruthie and she'll wash it and then you can eat it.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Let me see.
Ooh, that's a good one. I bet it's yummy.
Let's wash it so you can eat it.
I bet it's yummy.
Come on, let's wash it right here in the hose. Okay. Enjoy it.
Now you can take a bite. What's it taste like?
Good.
Mmm, yummy.
Eat it up.
Look at Dixie. It's running great. Dad.
Mmm.
Is it good? Take your picture.